Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. It's great to have you here today. I'm outside in nature. I'm on a plant walk. It's time to harvest quite a number of plants. It is a great time. It's the end of August. I never really get too much in July because it's so penetratingly hot and everything looks wilted. So right now I'm coming out. I'm trying to get what I can. Looks good. And this video I'm going to show you some burdock leaves, and I'm going to try to get some burdock root. And stick with me, like, subscribe, hit the bell button, leave a comment down below, interact with the channel. That helps the channel grow. And also check my descriptions. In my descriptions I have links for my Etsy shop. I have my Instagram link at Sheep Hill Herbs. I have 3 books that I've self-published on Amazon. They're in the description, and also links for other things like great place to buy bulk herbs, which is Mountain Rose Herbs, my spunk acupressure mat. I made a video on that. That's a great thing to get and use, and your purchase through my descriptions helps my channel. If there's commercials on here on YouTube, I don't get anything from that, so it's when you actually click on my link, go somewhere, and get something. So let me show you burdock. Here we go. So today I came out on an herb walk. I'm at Blue Marsh Recreation Area, Blue Marsh Lake in eastern Pennsylvania, and there's some hiking trails. Great places for plants. The soil is perfect. This is burdock. So burdock has these huge leaves if it has the opportunity to grow. It reminds me of like an elephant ear. The underside is like a gray, silver gray color, and they will get those burrs, those like prickly burrs, but they do not have that yet. This is, we're in like mid August. So we collected some of the leaves, and burdock is a great blood cleansing herb. It is also very good for flushing out the body, flushing out the kidneys. I would not consider it necessarily a nutritive herb, one of the more cleansing herbs, but every herb has nutritive properties. The leaves can be bruised and applied to wounds, to bruises on the body, to injuries. It's very healing to the skin. So you can take this, and when I say bruise it, it's kind of mashing up, breaking the skin a little bit and applying it directly to a skin area. You can also make tea with the burdock and soak a clean white cloth in the tea and then wrap a body area, if it's a hurt knee, a hurt, finger, hand. This plant, I would say, is perfect if you're in the woods and need some self-help, some aid in the woods. And then it has a wonderful root that is a delicacy and delicious taste. I like to couple it with dandelion root. I'm going to try to get some. I'll show you that. So I came out here without my shovel. I forgot it. And we are too far to go back to get it. So I was thinking, I brought my scissors to cut flower tops, but I do not have shovels for getting roots. So I'm using this piece of bark, and what I'm doing here is trying to just get some of the dirt and sticks and stuff away from the base of this burdock here. Just dig a little bit. I can actually start to see the root. It's right in here. But I love to use burdock root in combination with dandelion root, and usually as a spring tonic. But burdock root can be useful in the wintertime to keep the body cleansed, the bloodstream cleansed, especially when you're concerned with all kinds of infectious stuff. So I'm going to try to get this out, and I'm going to probably turn it into a tincture because I won't have tons of it, but with my burdock leaf and the root I'm going to get, it will be perfect to make a tincture with it. So I got out a piece of the burdock root. I am not getting a lot because I don't have a shovel. I used that stick or that piece of bark. Here's a piece of the root. It's very starchy. It has like a sweet kind of taste. It can be chopped up and stir-fried. I am going to take it and clean it, and I'm going to cut it into pieces so I can use it in my tincture with the burdock leaves. Just show you and end this video with, I guess, responsible harvesting. So here's the plant. I got a piece of root out here. You always want to leave some aspect of the plant and the root left so it can come back. So I'm just going to try to cover in the hole back where I planted. Give thank you Burdock, for sharing your blessings with us, and just sort of bring back an undisturbed feel to where I harvested. I think this is some sort of like wild cucumber. It's really neat. It's really, really cool. So thank you, Burdock, and thanks for watching this video. Coming.